innocuous.
She hates when I'm talking about Colombia and I say Colombia. It's spelled C-O-L-O. I'll be like, where? Colombia? I'll be like,
she swears she's
why are you saying Colombia like that?
She's so international.
Colombia.
It's
C-O-L-O-M.
Nicaragua. That's what I said. Oh no, it's not Nicaragua. It's Nicaragua.
Intro, take 1.
What's up, SNLtube?
Hey guys.
We're back.
We miss you.
Miss you. Damn wisdom teeth. You know how that goes. Today we have a special video for you.
So excited.
We are going to
tie-dye.
Tie-dye.
I'll be like, is it T-I-E or T-Y-E?
It's T-I-E.
This is my pal.
And this is my pal. Why are we tie-dyeing? Have you ever had a vision of an outfit and you couldn't find it?
Or you do find it and it's too much money.
What I wanted specifically was a tie-dye Nike hoodie. I really wanted it. I looked it up online, over $100.
And these dyes are like
$3.
$3?
And the hoodie is less than $40.
And I have a sweatsuit, like a matching set.
And I got another hoodie that I'm excited to tie dye.
But watch, they're gonna be fire.
Let's get into the video.
So first we have to mix our dyes in this warm water. Oh no, I need gloves. Oh shoot. We watched several videos to see how to do this. And most importantly, this is our first time tie-dyeing. I tie-dyed once when I was in Girl Scouts, like
I've never tie-dyed in my life.
20 years ago.
Let's tie-dye, ladies and gentlemen. I can't do that. That's it. No.
So the first thing I'm gonna tie-dye is the sweatpants and the sweatshirt.
First thing I'm tie-dyeing is the white Nike hoodie.
This bowl has rubber bands in it.
Yeah.
So when you tie-dye, you have to make a bunch of little rubber band ties. I'm going in with the black. It's like we're doing science.
You need some Petri dishes.
Ooh. Lee, you are so handy.
Thank you, baby. Ah, I can't put the glove on. That's why I look.
That's because you take your gloves off weird.
Take my gloves off like
you pull them off like this when you're supposed to go like this.
Nobody does that unless you a serial killer. That's some serial killer stuff.
I'm a serial killer and I'm proud.
What?
I'm a serial killer.
They're gonna lock you up. That's
and I'm proud.
The glove don't fit. You must have quit. You know what he actually said? The glove don't fit. You must have quit. Let's see if this is to satisfy you. Can y'all see this SNL?
Ooh. Murder.
Murder! Murder! Ooh!
Now we're gonna get the clothes that we're doing first.
Yeah.
So you can either rinse it in cold water first and then scrunch it up for tie-dye, or you can scrunch it first. Just make sure you rinse it before you put the color on. These are my pants that I'm doing first.
This is my hoodie.
I'm just gonna start at the bottom.
This is what it looks like prior to.
I'm doing a method I saw online called crumple. You just bunch it up like this. And then the method that you saw ties little knots.
When you're tying it, you just make sure it's tied tight. When it's all done, it's gonna be really small.
So I decided to go black. This just feels weird, but I honestly feel like you can't go wrong with it.
Exactly, that's how I feel. We say that, and then we'll be like, no!
This is wrong!
This takes about 20 minutes. It would be a good time to start your favorite Netflix series. Just ask a couple questions to your wife, like Sean. What's your favorite Netflix show right now?
My favorite Netflix show right now is The Crown. And it's the season with Diana.
Princess Diana. Princess Diana.
Are you guys like me? Like with every episode, I have my phone out and I'm like fact checking. All my search tabs are like, is this true? Did this really happen with Prince Philip? Is Charles really the butthole he is?
Siobhan likes watching shows with a whole bunch of accents.
Yeah, like I love Australian shows.
Australian too, like come on, baby. How they say it?
Like my goal is to go to Australia, and like I already know where I want to go. It's a place called Cooper Pedy. I need to go to Brisbane.
Brisbane.
I need to go to Bondi Beach.
Oh, Bondi? I thought it was Bondi.
Bondi, B-O-N-D-I. I need to go to Bondi Beach.
Bondi Beach. What's the cake show you like?
Oh, I love the British Bake Off. It's not a cake show, it's a baking show.
Every time I watch, they making cakes.
No,
except for the one time they made brownies.
They make brownies, they make biscuits.
Biscuits are what? Cookies.
Listen, I'm so ready to go to London.
We got a special trip coming up in a couple of months. You want to tell them where we're going?
Let's wait. Comment below where you want to travel.
Comment below the first place you're traveling. Once they start letting us back out.
Once you're comfortable with traveling, where's the first place you're gonna go?
Anyways,
he hates when I'm talking about Colombia and I say Colombia. It's spelled C-O-L-O. But I'll be like, where? Colombia? I'll be like,
she swears she's
why are you saying Colombia like that?
She's so international.
Colombia.
It's
C-O-L-O-M.
Nicaragua. That's what I said. No, it's not Nicaragua. It's Nicaragua.
So we're gonna come back after we get everything crumpled, okay?
Voila. We tied all these up, and now it's time to let it die.
Look how funny Liz looks.
So here we go. Here goes the fun part. By the way, I'm doing this without gloves because I really don't care. Now I'm about to flip this over.
I need more red right now. Okay, so I finished my one piece. I'm gonna put it in a bag. That's what they all do. I don't know. They let it soak up the ink, I guess, in the bag.
For how long?
I've seen people do it up to 8 hours. I've seen one girl do it to an hour and a half. So I'm gonna go with an hour and a half. That's me. You.
Okay, so we're gonna finish each side. We're gonna let it dry. Then we're gonna rinse it out and dry it. And we're gonna try it on.
And we're gonna hope for the best. And then we'll come back.
With
the reveal.
So guys, we're back and we have the finished product of the Nike hoodie.
Woo-hoo.
And it came out better than what I expected.
Yes, it did. I think they saw mine a little. I did pink and blue.
I did red. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh. Look at these hoodies.
Look at the hoodie.
And I did my cuff like all pink.
Yeah, that's dope.
Both of our methods came out well. Yeah. We're gonna try to do like a transition, okay? Let's see.
Let's go try it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom!
You like it?
Do you like it? I love mine.
So cool.
Hope y'all love it. Like I love it.
Minimum.
Okay, I got it. I'm gonna freestyle. Let me get it. We back. You know it's been a couple weeks. Goddamn wisdom teeth. No.
We tie-dye, we so fly. And but do y'all like it? It's fly, right?
I hope y'all like it. I love it. And it's one of one.
Comment down below what y'all will rock this with. We might do a giveaway. What do you think?
I think we should do a giveaway.
We should do a giveaway? Okay.
It's Christmas time.
It is!
Yeah.
Send us a DM on Instagram for this custom Nike-em.
Nike-em.
If you like them, you Nike-em.
You like him.
If you like him, you Nike him, period. Send us a DM to our SNLtube on Instagram.
Yep.
If you want the hoodie, we're giving it away and we will pick one person.
One of you guys.
To get a hoodie. Make sure you're following us on Instagram.
And subscribe on YouTube.
You can cut me one of these hoodies for Christmas.
You made it to the end of the video.
Hey.
Don't forget to like,
comment,
subscribe.
Yes. Peace out.
Peace out. We love y'all.